crisp blue pipe. Or
welcome to the MF shop.
here we are. What are we doing today?
We're repacking the Dasa
So we got our
for the TRX,
Dasa exhaust here.
for the hybrid. If you're one of those guys that just has an exhaust that sounds terrible, you might consider doing this job. Not for like any other reason, but like for like my sanity. 'Cause it's
Yeah, riding behind it's terrible.
Yeah, it's no fun to hear.
The other thing on Dasas, if your sticker starts peeling off and your can gets like discolored, it's because your packing's gone. They tell you that's just normal, but no, it's because your packing's bad. So you need to redo your packing. They say every 30 hours. Can you believe that? This has like 60 on it.
That's frequent.
Yeah,
But,
it's all how you ride too. If you're just popping limiter and gnarly, like you'll probably blow it out.
Probably blow it out.
I read like a sissy, so.
So if you've never seen Dasa packing before, this is it.
I don't even know, what is in packing?
It's probably just some sort of fibrous stuff. I don't know.
It's like fiberglass? Oh, that would burn. Yeah, there you go. Pull
We have
some
this
out.
small hole to get you guys a
We gotta
taste
patch.
sample.
We gotta patch the hole. Oh, okay,
See?
there it is. So it's like human hair.
It's like,
Yeah.
you know, if you've got like one of those little cockapoo dogs,
Yeah.
that's where all the hair goes.
Okay. Yeah. So when you shave your dog at the groomers, they sell it to exhaust manufacturers.
Dasa.
Yeah. That makes
It's
sense.
a renewable resource.
That's true. All right. So, first thing, we're gonna undo these little Allen bolts. This is a 4-bolt. The new Dasas have 8, just so you know. This is the full-length can too. And candy blue, which is a $25 option with the white sticker. So, just gonna undo the bolts. We'll go from there.
Yeah, not much to see. Everyone's seen bolts on. Yes! It's coming off! It's working. Once you get one cap off, it's a done deal. Right?
I feel like I just might have jinxed it, but yeah.
Shit. I wish you could make it to the New Year's, but it's alright.
Yeah, it sucks. Oh well.
It's part of life, man. Sometimes you gotta miss it for
Yeah.
slightly
Back
more
to
important
work.
things.
Here we go.
Hell yeah.
Ooh! Here we go. So,
This winter will come out. Dang, she's packed in this packing. Make sure you pack your packing. It probably helps it stay in if it's tight. You know?
does help it stay in if it's tight, you're right.
What are you laughing about?
That's a good. Is there like pliers or something? So here's our packing. You can see it's kind of burned. It's a little charred. A little char. Nice. Nice even grip.
This is why I go to the gym. Oh, dang. Look at that.
Yep. So see all that. Packing was blown.
Packer was blown. Well, it's in there still.
Oh.
But it did get a little charred. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at that side. See how it's cracked on the side?
Yeah, if your bike
Show the
runs,
people.
if your bike runs a little lean, that can happen, I guess.
Is that from yours running lean?
I don't know.
Oh, that's
Just thinking in general, like
I mean, tell the people that.
if you have an issue, yeah, I think if you have an issue, but like I don't think mine was necessarily running lean, but maybe it was. So this one had the steel wool in it, as well, which is pretty cool. But see this?
Ooh.
This is what saves you. This right here is what we're gonna save. So, oh, see, it's blown through right there. Actually got hot as balls.
She got hotted up real good.
So we're gonna rip that off. But yeah, it got blown.
Here, Joe, you're getting my shot. This is your thumbnail.
Jeez. It's not good. Just leave that in.
Wait, what?
Just leave the bottom one in. What do we need it out for?
We don't need it out, folks. You heard it here.
Oh, dang it, we got it out.
Yeah, true.
Wipe it down. Wipe. And then this will go this. Ooh. So quite a nice screen. And then this will wrap around that.
You just kind of wire it down with safety wire or what?
I don't know what we did last time. I can't remember. I think we just kind of wrapped it up tight and shoved it in. But this has like some tape on it too, so like you can roll it and then tape it. Yeah.
So they think of everything over at Dasa.
Yeah.
We'll give this a quick blowy.
All right. Do whatever. Yeah, that works.
Keep it from
Yeah.
Okay, nothing came out. Nice.
I guess we'll just safety wire this thing.
Didn't like that tape measure?
Apparently not. This is what the pros do. They safety wire things.
Safety wire is good stuff, boys. Use it for everything. Use it for hanging stuff on a paint. Lefty tighty when you do wire.
Lefty tighty. Cool.
Ask any steel man.
Go to a local steel man that you of course know.
If you're a rebar guy and you don't do lefty tighty with your wire, I don't know what you're thinking.
Why do you do that?
No reason.
Okay.
I'm just messing with you.
Good to know.
Messing with the viewers.
Don't tell them that.
Don't tell them. Edit this part out.
This is thick safety wire.
Sheet thick. That's still my favorite moment of any video. When Stacy's like, sheet thick.
Stacy?
Yeah. She was when we were weighing your quad.
Oh yeah. That's funny. Hopefully that fits in the yeah, it'll fit because the packing goes there. Need some extra mesh right there. It's gonna be a hot spot.
Indeed. I don't know if I ever find mesh like this. Go to Ace. Probably get one piece.
Probably. Need some steel wool. How far is Ace? Just have a call at 9.
Which direction did this go?
This goes in the bottom.
Like this?
Yeah. So yeah, you're thinking steel wool. Go to Ace in the helpful place.
Yeah, I'd say let's run down
Okay. Alright, let's go.
there. Alright, Joe, what did we find?
Steel wool.
Steel wool? Nice.
I don't know why, but
We found steel wool at our local plumbing supply store. Standard plumbing supply. They are the standard.
I guess it's a mix of a true value and a standard, is that?
Yeah, true standard value. Flexible abrasive. This is what you want to get
So
for your Dasa.
you get it so that your packing doesn't burn up. So we have like a mesh, steel wool, and we'll have the normal exhaust packing. So like
Your cockapoo hair.
it'll just last longer. Because like I said, instead of like 30 hours in a burned up pipe, you're gonna have a crisp
Crisp.
blue pipe or whatever color.
It'll sound nice.
And it'll sound. It's funny because I posted a picture like in a repack, and I'm gonna be like freshly packed, and it looks the same.
Before packing.
Yeah.
After packing. Same.
Yeah.
That's a good sign. We really didn't do any much cosmetic damage because that one was already there. We made it a little worse. But like honestly, when this gets old, when these end caps get old,
Yeah.
what you could do, what would be kind of sick and kind of like trick, is do something just like sand it out, sand all the machine marks out, mirror finish it, and then mirror finish this one, and then mirror finish the whole thing.
Yeah, just chrome the whole thing out.
Like just polish the whole thing
Tits.
right down out.
That would be cool. Damn, bro. Thing's freaking cherry. Just kills all the sound.
Yeah, let's see. Dang, 2 days eat.
Dang.